it has been a shock. Like, I wasn't expecting this excitement. It's so real. I can't just bottle it up and pretend I'm not happy. I'm not excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm back with those good news that I'm going to share with you. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years, been uploading videos, and some of them would take months without views, no subs, until I discovered this secret that I'm going to share with you that helped my channel in a very short period of time. Like within 24 hours, I got my first 500 instant subscribers. So, this is new. I remember myself sending my link to all my friends, family members, asking everybody to subscribe, to watch my videos. But this time it just happened. It just happened. So this is simple, guys. If you want to grow your channel, here are the 2 key ingredients. If you want subs, go for YouTube Shorts. And if you want to grow your watch hour, check out this video that I've left in a description. I'm not the only one blowing up because of this. So many YouTubers are experiencing this and they are testifying about it. So go ahead and try it. Back there, they used to tell me, Shorts will kill your channel. After I tried Shorts for a week, I experienced that my channel was more exposed to more people. My subscribers number increased, and right now I'm more comfortable in my space. So go ahead and try YouTube Shorts. Try by all means and be consistent and pick a niche. Don't just upload random YouTube Shorts. I chose pets for my channel, so I've noticed a very, very huge growth. More than 500 subscribers I just received within a week. And shout out to all my new subscribers, new viewers. It's really happening this side. And I'm so much in love with it, every bit of it. Check out this video that I've left in a description. I've explained everything that helped me increase my watch hour in that video. Let's keep growing and let's keep being productive. We really headed there.